Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notification for your Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable push notifications for your Microsoft Authenticator, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application at first. Then after that, you just simply have to unlock the Authenticator by using biometrics or your pattern, and after opening the Authenticator, you will get to see so many options into here. Now you just simply have to tap into this three dots into top right, and from there go to settings, and after that you will get the option of notification setting into here. Tap into notification settings, and after that just simply enable this toggle for allow notifications. This way you can easily enable push notifications for your Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.